What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and today I'm talking about the 5 things every part should have in Flux. So let's get into it. If you're not familiar with Flux already, it's a modern PCB design tool and it handles part creation a little differently. Whether you're importing a part or creating one from scratch, you can add properties to further define your part. To show you what I mean, I'm going to open up a part that I've created recently. Over here on the right, our property panel is empty, so I'm going to add some. The first one we need is part type. This can be useful for layout rules when you want to select every part of a certain type in your project. You can select the appropriate one from the drop-down list. The second property we need is manufacturer name, which also has a drop-down list, but you can enter in a custom name as well. This is pretty self-explanatory. You have a part, someone makes it, that's the manufacturer. That being said, we also need the part number. When we enter that, we can get up-to-date pricing and availability right inside Flux. The fourth property that should be included in all parts is the datasheet URL. Every part has a datasheet, and having the link inside Flux is incredibly convenient when you need to check a specific value. Last but not least, every part needs a designator prefix. Beyond that, there are many more properties inside Flux that you can take advantage of. I've only scratched the surface here, but let me know if there's a specific property you'd like me to cover. In the meantime, give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content like this every week.